Hi, so welcome to the video. So this is the first video in the Halloween set that I'm doing. So the first nail I'm gonna do is like a spooky little jack-o'-lantern face, I guess. And the first thing I'm gonna do is go in with my matte top coat because I just think that it's easier to draw on a matte surface. So that's what I'm doing. So now I'm gonna get my glow in the dark gel polish, and I got this from Amazon. It's the Born Pretty one, and it had a variety of different colors, but I'm gonna go with the green one for this look. But I definitely want to try that pink one out. So this is the color that I used, and now I'm gonna go in and draw with a pencil the design. I mean, by all means, you don't have to do this. If your art skills is on point, do you go ahead and go in with the gel polish? But for me over here, I'm gonna go ahead and with my pencil and draw in where I want the eyes to be. So I'm just gonna go in and draw little slant lines for the first part. And I flipped it upside down just so I could see where the other part of the eye started and stopped. And obviously it didn't work out, but that's why I'm using a pencil, because I can erase it and try again. And this time I didn't flip it over. So, trial and error, trial and error. So essentially it's just like a slanted line and then a curve. So it's pretty easy. And you're just gonna do that on both sides and make some eyes, some mean looking eyes. And once I decided that I'm happy with that, I'm just gonna sketch in where I want the mouth to go. And my favorite part about this is the mouth doesn't have to be like a straight line. So I guess it's kind of like Jack Skellington inspired, Jack Skellington, Pumpkin King mouth face. So yeah, so we're just gonna draw like a squiggly line where the mouth goes. And that's just a rough sketch of what I want the face to look like. So now I'm gonna go in. I had to retire my bottle caps. I finally got a cute little palette. So I'm gonna take my gel polish and put that on my palette and fill in the eyes. And I did cut some of the hairs off of the nail art brush that I'm using just to make it a little bit more thin. And I'm just gonna load up my brush with that gel polish and fill in the eyes. Okay, so that's the first coat. We're gonna go in and cure that and then go in with a second layer. And we're just going to do the same thing on the other side. 2 layers of the gel polish, curing in between each layer. So now I'm gonna go in with some painting gel and draw in the black lines for this. And I like painting gel because it's a lot thicker than just regular gel polish. So it's not gonna run as much as gel, like regular gel polish. So definitely when you're doing nail art, use gel paints. That's just what I recommend. Tell me, comment down below what you recommend. What are your tips when you're doing nail art? Now we're gonna load up our brush so we can do the outlines for this. And this is like my favorite part about the nail. I feel like I said that before. The whole thing's my favorite part, okay? I just love nails. But anyway, so yeah, doing the outlines, I feel like that's what makes the design come together. Like it all pops, it all just makes sense. So even when you're doing nails, you have to trust the process. I feel like this is the top coat for nail, like for when you're doing nails, everything comes together when you put that top coat on. Everything comes together when you do the outlines for your nail art. It all makes sense. Okay, so now we're gonna do these stitches on the mouth, and those are really easy. It's just little lines in spaces on the mouth, so super easy. This whole design is super easy. It's 3 shapes and 2 colors. Super easy, you guys. And after I cure that, I'm just gonna wipe it down with some acetone, just so when I put on my matte top coat, I don't have any of that streaking stuff, you know? If you know, you know. And here is the finished look, guys. Like I said, real quick, real easy. And guess what? It glows. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys try this out, and be tuned for the next design in the spooky Halloween set. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.